This week we installed the cabinets in the kitchen. Right now we are doing the caulking, preparing them for priming. And we were also able to finish the floor in the bathroom and also the cabinets in the bathroom and the tile in the shower. We found out that here in the bathroom the paint was rain washed, which is exactly the same paint we had in the garage apartment. So because we had leftovers, we continued and painted with that color so we can match it. And here in the office we already painted with the green that we have downstairs in the master bathroom. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.